Kung kayo ay galing sa corporate world or kayo ay like dating teacher, kagaya ni Cherian, or halimbawa, as in zero experience kayo ever, never kayo nag-work, ever. Or government employees, ito yung madalas na nakikita ko na nag-enroll sa General Virtual Assistance course na ino-offer namin. And the best news about this is it's for free. Opo, free po siya. It's called the Revamped Basic Work from Home Training Program, wherein lahat ng basics na dapat matutunan mo bilang General Virtual Assistant at iba't ibang industries na pwede ninyong mapasukan, mako-cover natin doon. So this is the level 1 and again, it's free. However, here's the thing. Ang daming gustong mag-enroll doon dahil nga free. Pero yung iba, alam mo yung meron lang, yung makikisali lang kasi nga free. So, to resolve that, nag-add kami ng, ay, pause na si bakla, kagigising lang. Naglagay kami ng refundable registration fee na 399 pesos. So kapag na-perfect mo yung attendance, nakapag-submit ka ng homework on time, right after mong kumpletuhin yung application book mo, which in reality, para sa'yo rin naman yun, talagang kailangan mong kumpletuhin yun. Yun yung tinatawag namin na final activity. Tapos nakapag-mock interview ka na, magkakaroon ka na ng cert, at the same time, marirefund mo pa yung 399 pesos na pinang-enroll mo. The goal of this program is to give everyone the opportunity to learn how to start working from home, learn from the expert, build discipline. Yun talaga yung isa sa mga importante, discipline talaga. Find the right motivation and learn the perfect timing on when you can transition to freelancing from your current corporate job. If you guys want to enroll, magko-close na po sometime this week or next week yung August class. And just a reminder, wala tayong ganitong class sa September ha. Sabihin yung mina-marketing na naman kayo, pero medyo. So, here's how to enroll. Punta lang kayo sa instagram.com/bloggymary. Tapos, i-click nyo yung link doon. Hindi ko kasi alam kung may link na rin dito sa bio ko dito sa TikTok eh. Pero kung sakasakaling wala, pwede kayo pumunta sa Instagram ko. I-follow nyo na rin ako, ha? So, pagka-click nyo ng link na yan, makikita nyo dito, una, free resources. Yes, meron po tayong free basic language training next week, Monday to Friday, from 6 p.m. onward. Usually, mga 1.5 hour lang yung class. Free yan, pwede na kayo mag-enroll dyan anytime, walang bayad yan. Meron din tayong roadmap, meron din tayong mga videos. Now, if you want to join the live session, click nyo lang yung Revamp Work From Home Basic Training Program, 399 pesos yung refundable registration fee. Isend nyo lang yung payment, i-fill out nyo yung form, and then you will receive an email from VACT dun sa schedule nyo for our class. Coverage no class, basics of freelancing, how to create your resume, cover letter, portfolio, basics of SMM, basics of e-com, basics of Amazon VA, basics of how to convert leads and appointment setting. Kung kaya pa, nagsisingit pa kami ng ibang class na pwede namin ma-provide for free, puro level 1 yon. So at least you'd have a better idea of ano nga bang ginagawa ng mga specific industries na yon. Pagka meron kayong katanungan tungkol sa course na to, comment nyo lang siya dito. Follow nyo ako for more work from home chismis. Add nyo to sa favorites nyo kung di pa kayo decidido. Alam nyo na yan. Yeah, bye.